Hey, yo, I just want to show you something real quick. This is going to be a workflow game changer. Ableton's awesome, and this is something that I learned from MUERTE. He basically can save groups in here and come back to them really quickly. So let's listen to this and I'll show you what I mean. Or if I solo this is my bass group right here. Now let's say I like this. I have a mid layer, a high layer, an extra layer, and I want to do come back to this later so I could just drag it in and make something quick. If we get this group, we can move it to the user library. And if you do that, it'll save right here. So I just saved the bass riff. And what we can do too is we can also get our drums. I like these drums. I want to get them later, so I'll put the drums in here. Cool. Now let's say we're in a new track. Cool. Now let's say you're in a new track and you wanted to get down, you're just having some fun. You're like, all right, I want to add some cool stuff. So you just drag in. Well, first you go to your user library, and then you can drag in this bass riff. And it saves everything. It looks like a little project file, but it's basically part of the project file, and everything is saved and ready to go. We can play. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and add the drums as well. Now from here, we can start messing with our drums, make them different and unique for our new song, and just start making music right away. This really is a game changer when it comes to workflow. You can just drag things in quickly, start making things as you go, and Ableton really is OP. If you guys like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. MUERTE is the boss. He's showing us the keys right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good night.